So hello there, I'm Paul Buttier and I'm the Managing Director of Geospatial Ventures Limited. We're a high innovation company that produces leading edge geospatial solutions for infrastructure and vehicle monitoring. So some of the problems that we're trying to address are basically the problems of vehicle efficiency. So if we're moving to a future where there's light rail vehicles that are running on battery power, then we need to maximize the battery power of those vehicles. So for that then, we need to constantly monitor the position of the vehicle, the speed that it's going at, what kind of situation it's in. Is it going up an incline? Is it going down a gradient? Is it approaching traffic lights? Does it need to slow down because of some hazards around it? Is it stopping? Is it not stopping? So our system will provide very precise geolocated information that will allow us to understand the battery life of the vehicle in the case of a very light rail vehicle in all those scenarios. Another problem that we're trying to solve is about the security and the safety of these vehicles and reducing the cost of when we're doing repairs or maintenance on track or on vehicles. So another technology that we can bring in with our very precise location technology is something called geofencing. And that allows us to build virtual fences around the vehicle as it's moving. It's very good for understanding what's around it and also understanding how we need to control the speed of the vehicle as it's moving through an urban environment and where it's likely to encounter other vehicles and other people around it. Geofencing is also really important for maintenance operations and repair operations, as I noted, because it reduces the need for having physical infrastructure such as real fences or real boundaries around a workforce or a piece of construction equipment that has to be taken onto site.
Okay, one of the reasons that we applied for the Clean Futures programme is because this is the programme that provides you that bespoke training and support that as SMEs that you really need at the early stages of the company. So the solution that we developed, we would like these solutions to be out there, bringing the safety, but it's very difficult as being an SME. So Clean Futures programme giving us that support that we're looking for. So we've got this training program that's training you from lots of different areas. So we're doing networking, we're getting our devices out there, we're sharing with companies, we're in front of investors, we've been trained to deliver that pitch that I can imagine that everybody's struggling with at the back of their mind, how to say, what to say, how to put your ideas forward in front of the investors. So we feel that we're really ready to kind of demonstrate what we have been working on for a long time and show the benefits of this innovation that's been there with us for a while now.
We're really excited to be part of the Clean Futures programme, and one of the reasons that we applied to it is that the BCIMO facility is just an absolutely fantastic and representative facility to test and develop the technology like ours, so technology solution like ours, as applied to the rail industry. It's got a track, it's got a tunnel, it's got a representative station, so it's absolutely fantastic for that. And having access to those facilities, including railway vehicles, including light rail vehicles and large vehicles, absolutely essential for us to be able to demonstrate our technology and actually to gather information so that we can develop our solution for the purpose of improving vehicle efficiency and safety.
Today we are testing our geofencing application, which uses very precise GNSS to tell us to the level of 1 or 2 centimetres where our equipment is. And today we're testing that on a cherry picker to demonstrate a safe working area. We've defined a safe working area to be the inside of the tram tracks here at BCIMO, and when the cage on the cherry picker crosses outside of that safe working area, we have an alarm system, a warning light that comes on to indicate to the operator of the cherry picker that he's now outside of the safe working area. Yeah, today we are just doing a dry run of the testing to make sure that the equipment works in situ on the equipment that's provided. The Clean Futures programme has been very supportive in providing equipment that is representative of the environment where the equipment might be used. We've obviously done testing and development back in the lab in Nottingham, in the GVL lab, but today we've been able to test it on a piece of construction equipment in a representative outdoor environment. And so they've been extremely helpful in providing that equipment and the environment in which to test it.
Taking part in the Clean Futures Accelerator programme has really helped GVL to develop and show off the applications of our technology. Our aim has been to demonstrate high accuracy geofencing and vehicle navigation applications, and we successfully demonstrated that our system can provide real-time visual and acoustic alerts when construction equipment, and in the case of this project, the elevating arm of a cherry picker has moved out of a safe working zone. We've also proven that our Aslan system, mounted on a running freight train, can provide highly accurate location, navigation and positional data using our GPS device incorporated with an off-the-shelf camera.
As a result of the project, we managed to validate our technology through a series of real-world demonstrations, increasing our visibility and credibility to the rail market. Well, in the short term, our hope is that this will lead to new projects and new clients in the rail and construction sector. We also welcome feedback on the clients would like to see our system could deliver through future development. And we're also keen to speak to any potential investors who can help us scale the business and move forward at an increased pace with potential clients. So we're looking forward for any feedback on this, or help the safety, or even scale up the business to work closely with investors as well.
In the long run, our Aslan system has the potential to really revolutionise safety and efficiency in construction, rail and logistics. By providing real-time geofencing and navigation alerts, we can significantly help to reduce accidents and improve site management. Over time, we expect these technologies to become industry standards, possibly influencing new safety regulations. And while we've focused on the construction and rail industry at present, our device could underpin safety solutions in all sorts of applications, including connected cars, self-driving vehicles and smart cities and other high-risk industries worldwide. We really think it's an exciting step towards a safer, more efficient future.